That's why I don't buy this thing. You know? Are you videoing?
So guys, our neighbor just came over and brought us some fireworks. So Ghost Rider's getting ready to light them. Hopefully I can catch them on camera for you. But I'm not going to get that close. So no, no, no.
You're not going to get that close?
Nope. I'm not.
I'm going to shoot her eye out. Oh my God, I thought it went off.
That's what she said.
All right, buddy.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, really not funny. Oh, my ear.
These are the big ones, guys.
Here we go.
Woo! Woo! Happy New Year, everybody.
That one hurt.
That one just landed on Dad. That just landed on Dad.
Did it burn you?
No, it was like, I felt that.
Hey, move. Got it?
Number 2. Here we go.
Yeah, I thought my lighter took a crap.
Here we
Yeah, they're going to be right over top of you, pretty much. Just saying. It's going to be on your truck again.
So guys,
That's what it sounds like. I gotta wash my
Happy New Year.
Where are you going? Yeah, you're.
And party safe.